Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert a link into an image with Mailchimp. This is a powerful way to drive traffic directly from your email campaigns by making your visuals clickable and actionable. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you're accessing the correct account if you manage multiple ones. After logging in, look at the left side navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all your email marketing efforts are organized and managed. From here, click Create to start building a new campaign. You'll be prompted to enter an email name for this campaign, so choose something descriptive that helps you identify it later. Once you've entered the name, click Create Email. Alternatively, if you already have a draft campaign you'd like to edit, simply open that instead. Now you'll see the option to design email. Click on it to enter the email content editor, where you'll build and customize your email layout. This is where the real magic happens. On the left side of the editor, you'll find various content blocks you can drag into your email. Locate the image block and drag it into your email layout wherever you want the image to appear. This block will serve as the container for the image you're about to upload. Inside the image block, you'll see a Browse button. Click on it to access your image options. You can either upload a new image file from your device or select one from your existing gallery if you've uploaded images before. Once you've chosen your image, click Insert to place it into your email. Now that your image is in place, click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when a blue border appears around it. This indicates that the image is active and ready for editing. With the image selected, look over to the right side customization panel. Here you'll find various editing options, including one labeled Link. Click on Link to open the linking options for your image. In the link settings, you'll see a link to drop-down menu. Click the drop-down arrow to customize where you want the link to direct your readers. Paste your desired URL into the web address URL field. This is the destination your readers will land on when they click the image. If you want the link to open in a new browser tab, check the advanced options and enable that setting. Once everything looks good, click Insert to finalize the link, and that's it. You've successfully linked an image in your Mailchimp campaign, turning a simple visual into an interactive element that can drive engagement and conversions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.